So here we have the Ford Transit Connect on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the van, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of space in here. It's all been ply lined as well, and we have that full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. Beneath that, it will show you what gear this van is in. We're in park at the moment. This is an automatic gearbox in this vehicle. And then above that, we have the main trip computer section, which includes the total miles of the van. They are 11,115. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section. You can change the information displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel. So we have a trip computer, your van settings, phone, audio menu, and then back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a second ago are here. We have stereo and phone controls on the right hand side. We have cruise control and speed limiter underneath that on the left hand side. And then over in the center, we have the stereo itself. So up on here, we can access our radio. You can see we have FM, AM, and DAB radio. We can also access our own music. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, as you can see. You can also then pair your phone from here as well. Working our way down, we have some storage just here. We then have the air conditioning. So if I move the gear lever out the way, you'll see that you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, and the direction of the air. That button turns your air conditioning on, and it will turn it off again, of course. We have heated mirrors, heated front screen as well, and a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, on the side of which, again, we can change gears manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to. So up and down a gear. We can turn off the stop and start. This van is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. We can also turn off the traction control or put the van in eco mode from there. And then finally, down here we have a cup holder and a 12-volt charging socket. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.